I finished. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so Kevin, Andy, and Jason. Jason said, "Oh, 我就差一点，我找了一道题找不到了。It's okay. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay. So everybody, you're gonna see that everybody, you're getting quicker. Okay. So Vicky, compare with the first time you do those questions, you didn't finish at all, right? And now you finished. And you know what? Next time you're gonna be like Kelvin, right? So you're finished and you're gonna talk, bragging like, so I
Right.
Okay, so today we're going to do the thing is this part is going to in the school. It takes about like 1 month to finish. And we're going to today finish in 90 minutes. So
这
everybody
是英式分解。
不是. So we're going to focus everything. Okay, everybody. So 90 minutes, we're going to finish whatever in the school. We're going to take 1 month to do that. So this
No way.
很简单的，你会的, okay? But everybody,
啥？
you understand it is not equal to you understood it thoroughly, right? So we're going to tell you the tips and the something part that it is a little bit, and we're going to focus in taking notes. Okay, everybody? So let's take a look at this one, okay? So today we're going to learn what is power. Okay, so what is power? Some students say power means I can just break the chopsticks, or I'm gonna go to my friends or something. No, it's not power in mathematics. Okay, power means the exponent. That means if you have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, so Vicky, you have 3 times 4, right? But if you have 3 times 3 times 3, you have 3 to the power 4. So this one represents how many 3 are there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody, we know this one very well, right? So this one is no problem. So today we're going to learn what is a negative product of negative numbers. So for instance, if we have negative 2 times negative 2 times negative, sorry.
我看见那个，我听这一声。
Everybody equals what? And the negative 2 times negative 2
-8
times negative 2 equals what? Okay, everybody, we have
16.
-2 of the power of 3.
This one's negative 2 bracket 3. Very good. Thank you, Vicky. And negative 2 power 4. Okay. So there's a very important thing I want you to take a look. Okay. When the power of a negative number is odd, this number
Negative.
If the power of a negative number is even, this number is positive. Understand, Andy? Okay, so we don't have to really talk about it. So especially when you're later on see some questions like negative 4.3 and power 10. So the first thing first we need to emphasize is what, Jason? It is positive or negative, because this one is even. So this is what?
Positive.
Positive.
It's positive.
Okay, very good. Okay, so everybody, this is a part I want you to just to take very simple notice. Okay, so there is a part thing. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this one. So negative 2 power 4 and negative 2 power 4, are they equals to each other or not equals to each other?
No, they're not equal. No.
Because this one is
One is a positive outcome. One is a negative outcome.
very good, very good. Okay, good job.
For you.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we have negative 2 power 4, negative 2 4, and negative 2 4. So these two actually are the same, but this one is not the same, correct? Okay, so let's take a look at the other one. Okay, so everybody, we all understand 2 times 5 times is going to be 2 to the power 5, and 2 times 4 times it's going to be 2 to the power 4. So how about 2 only once equals 2 to the power 1? Get it? Okay, and then 2 to the power 0 equals what, Andy?
1.
1.
So can we have negative 3 power 0?
Yeah.
Still
1.
1, right? Okay. So how about negative 4.3 power 0?
1.
Still 1, very good. How about pi power 0?
1.
Still 1. But can we have 0 power 0?
No.
Very
Oh,
good.
yeah, 1.
No, no, no.
Oh,
no.
wait, no,
Okay,
no,
Okay,
no.
the only number don't have the power 0 is 0 itself. Get it? So any number could have power 0, but 0 cannot have power 0. And if you see a number without power, that means it's power 1. Okay, you see any number. The same thing as if you see negative 3 plus 5. So this is negative 3 and positive 5, right? But if you have 5 plus 3x, so in front of 5, there's nothing, it's positive. Okay, so if you in front nothing, it's positive. And if you see a number without the power sign, Kelvin, it's power 1. Okay, so this is very important because later on we're going to learn something. It is very important to know that. Okay, so now everybody, we're going to do some practice. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F. 1 minute, everybody, your turn.
What were the questions we were supposed to do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. A, B, C, D, E, F. These ones.
Do I send it to you?
Yeah, please send it to me. Okay, everybody, 1 minute is up. Okay, thank you, Andy. Andy, 我问你啊，那个
How do you type power?
Yeah. I want to ask Andy.
Shift and shift and 6.
Shift and 6. Oh,
What?
yeah, this one. Yes, you're right.
How do you do it?
Shift and 6.
Shift 6.
So 2 power 3, like that. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Andy. Good job. 你看，我们每个小朋友都可以帮忙 each other, right? So let's take a look at this one. So the first one, of course, because 8 equals 2 to the power 3, so the answer is 3, 4, and 4. And I want you to pay attention to D, E, and F. Okay, everybody? I know you can do it. So 64 equals 8 to the power squared. N equals 4 to the power 3. And 2 to the power 6. So everybody, I want you to take a look at this one. So 64 equals 8 squared, also equals 4 to the power 3, and also equals 2 to the power 6. Okay, so this is something like equals to each other. And have you ever wondered why they're all the same and how they're equals to each other? So now I'm going to tell you a secret, okay? So Vicky, take a look at this one. Can you tell me 8 equals 2 to the power what?
2 to the power 8.
2 to the power 3, right? 8
Oh, yeah.
乘以2乘以2乘以2，对不对？
Yes. Yes.
那我把它别的不动，我把它抄下来。抄下来 OK， 好。Jason， 问你一下 ，4 等于什么？2 to the power 什么 ？Jason， you mute yourself.
2.
To the power 2.
2.
Yeah, 2, right? 好，那我不碰它，别的地方我抄下来。OK， 好，等于2 to the power 6. Everybody, do you understand what I'm doing right now? Okay, Kelvin is nodding. Very good. Okay, 好. So everybody, so 2 to the power 3 squared means I squared these two things, right? So it's 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 3, correct? And
Yes.
2 to the power 2 power cube is 2 to the power 2 cube equals 我有3个这个东西相乘，是不是2的2次方乘以2的2次方乘以2的2次方 Am I right, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this one equals 2 times 2 times 2. This one also equals 2 times 2 times 2. So equals 2 to the power 6. Equals this one. Okay, everybody, this one the same thing. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's also equals 2 to the power 6. That's why equals this one as well. Okay, everybody, so I want to introduce something like actually in your school, they're going to tell you like couple weeks later, but I'm going to directly jump to that chapter and tell you if you have 2 to the power 3 squared, Vicky, take a look at this one, equals 2 to the power 3 times 2. Get it? Okay, so 2 to the power 2, Andy, if it is power 3 equals what? Equals 2 to the power 2 times 3. So that's why both of them equals 2 to the power 6. Kevin 记下来了没有？所以这个就是 a 的 m 次方乘以 a 的 n 次方等于 a 的不对，错了，是
老
a
师，
m 次方乘以 n
是我把答案记下来吗？
啊，
nothing，但我没有说。
好 a 的 m 次 power n 是不是就等于2的3次方2啊？等于什么？等于 a 的 power m times n. Get it, everybody? Please write down this one. Yeah.
嗯。
Okay, so everybody, if you copy this down, we're going to move forward, okay? So we're going to jump all the way. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, back. Okay, back. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to move forward to the one which usually the school is going to think the student is not going to understand it, but I think you are.
老师，我去上个厕所。
去吧，你那拉屎拉尿的，在上课之前拉完好不好？ Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 5 to the power 3 and squared equals 5 to the power 3 times 2 equals 5 to the power 6. Correct, everybody? So this
Yeah.
is the part we just go through. So let's take a look at this one. Common mistakes, okay? So this is something like don't say, okay, so Jason 和 Andy probably gonna say, 老师，我是不会做这种出现这种特别低级的错误的。I don't think so. But to be honest, there are a lot of boys, okay? I have to say boys, I'm sorry. So probably some boys say, oh, that is racist. No, okay? So because sometimes boys think, oh, it's too easy. Let me just do it. Let me just finish it in 5 minutes. So that is a moment the mistakes occurred, okay? So let's take a look at this one. 3 plus 5 squared. So equals what? Equals 8 squared, 64, right? But some students said it equals 3 squared plus 5 squared equals 9 plus 25 equals 30. So they're not equals to each other. Okay, actually, everybody, in the power history, most of the question is only have the multiplication and division. This one, I want you to remember that, okay? So for instance, we could have 3 to the power square times 3 to the power square. Jason 去哪儿了? Equals 3 to times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 to the power 4, right? But 3 squared plus 3 squared, there's no formula at all. Harvey, understand? 你看 Harvey 上课一直躺着上的，我以后也这样躺着上。OK， 我都不会上，让我试试。 OK，
刚才干嘛？老师，我刚回来。
我们不干嘛，不告诉你。
告诉我。
OK，哎呀，这样子不行，这样子老师太丑了，这样子不行，形象太恶劣了，我不躺着上课了。OK，so let's take a look at this one. 2 to the power 3 power 4. Everybody equals what? Equals 2 to the power 3 times 4 equals
12.
12, right? And this one is 3 to the
3 to
power.
the power 10.
Very good, very good. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at this one. What if we have the question is having 3 times 4 squared? So equals what? Equals 3 times 4 times 3 times 4. So that's why 3 squared times 4 squared. Okay, Vicky? So this 2 is going to inside. How do we get it? It's because it's 3 to the power 1 times 4 to the power 1 squared. So outside is 3, 1 times 2 times 4, 1 times 2. Understand, everybody? So
Yes.
on the other hand, 3 to the power 3 times 5 to the power squared equals what? Equals 3 to the power 3 times 2 times 5 to the power 2 times 2. So equal 3 to the power 6 and 5 to the power 4. Understood, everybody? I'm going to stop here.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, why? Because A, B, power n, everybody, OK， 这个地方我再讲解一下，因为很多小朋友到了高中以后觉得很不适应的是 A、B 是什么东西啊？不就 A 和 B 放在一起吗？ No, that means it's A times B. OK, everybody?
Yeah.
So it's power n, so it's AN times BN. Okay? So everybody, if you understood this one, we're gonna move forward and let's just do this. Okay, so that's the same thing. If you have A over B power n, it's also equals AN over BN.
啊，
干嘛？吓了我一跳。Okay, so understood? So everybody, we're going to quickly do number A and B, okay? 1 minute. You don't have to send it to me. Just to give me the answer. I'm going to call you.
just A and B, right? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna do the A and the B.
Mhm.
Down.
老师
A
也有一题不需要做东西。
对呀，OK，好，做好了吗？2道题。OK，好，那第一题我们让 Vicky 告诉我答案。
第一题，
嗯
128/5，不是125/8。
哼，对，128/5。
口误
125. Okay, very good. Okay, next one. I want to call Jason. Can you tell me?
It is the thing that it says
那上面是什么？The numerator 是什么
A
？A what?
cubed.
Cubed? 那这个 n 去哪了
It stays there.
？No. So it's A.
No. It's 3 times n.
Yeah, so 3n over 3
B.
2n. Okay, get it? Okay, so very good. So let's just take a look at, we're going to take a look at a couple questions, okay? So don't think I'm going to give you easy questions because I'm not that good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody, your turn.
Do we need to like write it or like just oh I see.
Are we doing the ones that are crossed or A, B, C, D?
Yeah, no, the one crossed.
Okay. Wait, A, B, C, D?
No, E, F, G, H.
Oh,
We're
okay.
doing the one with the crosses.
Yeah.
Do you have to send it to you?
You don't have to say anything.
What's negative 8 to the power of 5?
Yes.
我不能告诉你。
Three thousand
question.
32,768.
I have a question.
Huh?
I have a question.
I'm going to explain the last, okay? 不能现在就说。
Ah,
对呀，你现在再努力一下。
我直接用计算机算了。
不可以，
为什么不可以啊？
算期的呀。
啊？
do we send it in the chat?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Done.
OK，好，我们现在来讲一下第一道题目。OK，so Vicky, can you tell me 7 to the power 0 and power 5 equals what?
1?
Very good. Because 7 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 to the 5 is also 1. But also you can do is the other way around is because 7 to the power 0, 5 equals 0 times 5. So it still equals 7 power 0. So it's 1 as well. Okay, good job, Vicky. Okay, next one, Harvey. Negative 2 power 2 and 3 equals what?
I got 4 to the power of 3.
Yeah, but we want to do the other way, okay? So it's negative 2, we do 2 times 3. You're right as well. So it's negative 2 power 6. So it's 2 to the power 6. We can do that.
Okay.
Understand, Kelvin? So because it's even. So next one, Kelvin. Negative 2 squared of 3 equals what?
Negative 2 squared 3 equals negative 64.
So we can do is negative 2 power 6. So that's it. We don't need to calculate it out.
Okay.
You tell me the
But it equals to negative 64.
yeah.
What?
Next one, Jason, can you tell me negative 2, 3, 5 equals what?
It's negative 15.
Negative
Ne-
2,
two.
15, right? But because it's an
Yeah.
odd number, so it's negative 2.
Yeah.
Very good. Good job.
Negative.
Okay. Next one, Andy.
Wait, minus 2 and 15 squared. Oh wait, I'm 15.
15. Very good. Very good. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to ask Vicky, do it again. Vicky,
Huh?
why me? one
Okay,
by
so 2 to the power of 24.
Very good, because it's 2 to the power 3 times 4 times 2. So 2 to the power 24. Very good, Vicky. Good job. Okay, understood, everybody? So that is the part that looks a little bit hard. So now we're going to move forward to the part we don't have to calculate it, but just tell me if the following values are positive or negative, okay? So everybody, you don't have to prepare everything. I'm going to call your name one by one. Okay, Andy, first one. Can you tell me this is positive or negative?
Wait, positive.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next one, Jason. This one is positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay, very good. It is negative. Okay, number C, Kelvin. It is positive or negative?
Positive.
Kelvin?
Positive. Is it
Negative.
correct? Positive.
No.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can't hear you, but obviously it's wrong, so that's why I didn't write it.
Oh no, I mean negative. What? Oh yeah, negative.
Kelvin, take a
Negative.
look at
I
negative
thought it was.
4
I
power
thought the 2 was outside. I thought the 2 was outside.
Okay, next one, Harvey. Negative 2 squared and power 4.
Positive.
Very good. Next one, Vicky.
Positive.
And last one, Andy.
Wait, positive. Wait, what?
Andy, positive.
Positive. Yeah.
No, negative. Two is
Oh yeah, it's
inside.
negative.
It's
Oh
negative.
yeah, yeah, it's inside.
Okay, everybody, good job. Jason, 你为什么发出那种奇怪的声音
Accident.
Okay. Okay, so everybody,
Yeah, accident.
Accidents happen.
now everybody, we're going to move back to the power like chapter 2. 你干嘛要弄我头发？
我没有，我就修一下。
不用你修，不用修。
It's not even.
Ah, hurt, hurt.
It doesn't even hurt that bad. That's what I feel every day when I used to talk.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to go through this one with you, okay? So evaluate these possible answers, okay? So A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0, A is not equal to B, and A plus B is not equal to 0. Everybody, could you please quickly tell me? 哎呀，不要发出那么多声音。So these 8 questions answer, okay? 1, 2, go.
What do I do for the trophy?
你过一会儿呗。
我们就把这个做掉了。
对对对，你真的别弄我了好吗？我真的好疼。
那好，
嗯，OK，好好，I'm sorry，同学。
把这8个弄掉，对吧？
对，把这个8都弄掉。
把这8个弄掉什么逼？
来了。
I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay.
Done.
Done.
Okay, so first question, Vicky, can you tell me the answer?
2.
Very good. Second, Vicky, still yours.
0.
Very good. Okay, number 2, Harvey.
G. 0. Oh wait, I read it wrong. Was it? -2.
Very good. Number H. Number H, Harvey.
Oh, 1.
Very good. Okay, number 3. Okay, Calvin.
Number 3, -2. No,
Really?
2, +2.
Okay. Number.
No, I thought you said number 3.
我说这个，我在画的这个 Number J.
Why is number J?
Number J. Calvin. 快点。
我在想 1
Okay, 好。Last set, Jason. Andy, you're safe.
The first one
Yeah.
is 2.
来，谁来打 Jason 屁股？
我
A
It's one. It's one.
Jason, next one.
Oh, my bad.
A 0
It's
Um,
one.
0.
0. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So now, boys and girls, we're going to move forward to the one is this one, okay? So this is very special part. This time we're not calculating anything, but we're going to compare these two sets of the numbers. Okay? We don't have to do all of them, but that's the one in the rectangles, okay? So there are altogether 12 questions. So I want you to quickly enough finish it. Don't send it to me, okay? Don't send it to me. I'm going to call your name one by one.
This is so annoying.
Um,
能不能不要嘴
啊，不要发出这种声音啊！
Yeah,
Mom,
shut the.
mom. 谁呀？发出这样声音？
老师，
哎，
为什么 EGIKMO 都是一样个答案？
啊？没有吧？
对呀、那你说明也不一定，说明你错了也有可能。
对呀、我应该错了很多。
Yeah, that's right.
就是
谁呀？
就是谁呀？Jason stop。
Jason, stop it.
I did nothing, please.
Jason，你别觉得我们都是盲人，不是，都是聋子。
就是啊，Jason。
谁在打？
这啥声音啊？
Jason
这咋了？
对啊，Jason，我给你
Jason.
mute 了啊，就这样。快一点好不好
I'm sorry.
？Yeah，good girl，哦，good boy，sorry。
老师，是你那儿有钢琴声吗？
没有啊，我们家里面不弹钢琴的，我很早就不许鹏鹏弹钢琴。
肯定又是 Jason。
Yeah, Jason, stop it.
好可怜，就是你看你在这不乖，然后大家反正不管是不是你，就是你。
Stop it。
No. What can I do?
OK，我们给他 mute 了。Yeah，quiet。
Yeah, Jason, stop it.
做好了。
我也做好了。
Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at the question, okay? So the first one, -6 power 6 and 6 power 2. Of course, we can do that by
The
calculating
alligator
out
is
the
pointing
answer,
to the
right?
left.
So we can do that is 8 times 8 equals 64 and 6 times 6 equals 36, right? So, but what if this number is super duper big? -2 power 100 and 6 power 50. Are you able to calculate out what are they? Everybody, this is
No.
want to be really serious and starting to take notes, okay? So I'm going to tell you when you have the power really big, how to compare two numbers without the calculation. Because Calvin, you're not allowed to use a calculator when you do those questions, okay? So how do we do
In
it?
school,
First
when
of
we
all,
have a
we're
test,
going
we
to
have to
change
use a
it to
calculator.
2 to the power 100 and 6 to the 50. Correct, Andy? This one,
Yeah.
everybody, do you understand? Understood? Because -2 power 100 is an even number, so we can just easily transfer
Oh.
100, correct? Okay, so now
Yeah.
let's take a look at this one. Can I do 6 equals 2 times 3 power 50? Jason? Can I reference this as 2 to the power 50 times 3 to the power 50? Right? Okay,
Yeah.
so 1 equals 2 to the power 50 times 2 to the power 50, right? So now can you compare these two numbers? This part, they're the same, so we don't have to talk about it. So 2 to the power 50 and 3 to the power 50, which one's bigger? Of course.
3 to the power 50.
Get it, everybody? So that is the thing. I
Yeah.
want you to copy this down because that is something really helpful. Okay?
Wait.
I copied it down.
Okay, everybody. So this one is no problem at all. Okay, so this one equals 243 negative, but this one is negative 125. So actually, this one is bigger than that one, but with the negative, this one is bigger than this one. Okay, next one, -5 power 4 and -4 power 5. Equals what? So both of them, this one is negative, this one is positive. So I don't have to even calculate it. This is bigger. Get it, everybody? So I don't want to talk about it, the same thing, okay? So this one, because this is negative, this is positive. So I don't have to calculate it at all. This one is smaller. Correct? So now let's move forward to this one. This one is a question I want to talk about it thoroughly, okay? Very important, everybody. So usually, if you have a number and it's positive, it's 2, and the other one is power 3. Usually, we can have this one, right? Correct?
Yes.
But because this base number, 2 over 3, is what? Is smaller than 1. Let's take a look at this one. 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 equals what? Equals 4 over 9. And 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 equals what? Equals 8 over 27. So actually, this one is bigger than that. Okay, so everybody, I want you to take a notes, okay? When a power 3 and a power 2, when a is bigger than 0, smaller than 1, the bigger the power, the smaller the number. When a is bigger than 1, a to the power 3, of course, is bigger than a to the power square. Okay, everybody, please write down this one. And I want you to think about it. If a is smaller than 0, this is another story.
老师，
明白了吗？小朋友们，请把这个红色的东西抄下来。
老师，
嗯，
上周你不是说，要是你上周不是说这周我在你家上课，边打屁股边上课吗？
那你自己过来
对
呗。那你自己过来呗。
Oh yeah.
Alexa, turn on the
要不我们
lights.
明天加一节课？
你要现场直播，然后老师打你屁股，没关系的，我等下录下来，然后发到群里面，大家可以反复观看。OK, Vicky, like it? Harvey, like it? 你觉得生活好无聊的时候，你就把它拿出来说，哎呀，看一下老师打 Kevin 屁股。So let's take a look at this one. 2/5, sorry, 5/2 is bigger than 1, so that's why I don't have to calculate it. This one is smaller. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 3/5 and 2/5, okay? Basically, everybody, these two numbers, without the calculation, it is very hard to compare. OK， 好，这个时候又有一个难点了，小朋友现在看好了，是 3/5等于3的5次方除以5的5次方，对不对 ？OK， 这个2的6次方和5的6次方，你看这个5的5次方和5的6次方 is very big number, right? 2 to the power 6还能做，3 to the power 5还能做，可是5的5次方和5的6次方非常大。So how do we compare these two numbers? Okay, I want you to take a look at this one. So everybody, when we are comparing two numbers, it is either the denominator the same or the numerator the same. Everybody, don't you copy me? Okay, I want you to underscore that, okay? Very important. So 5 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 6. Andy, 是不是看起来有点像啊？那我能不能把这个换成 5 to the 5 times 1/5? Understand, everybody? 我把这个变成了这样，可不可以 ？Jason， 可以的，对不对？好了，那为什么要这样？那我这个看起来这两个是不是就可以比较了？
老师，
嗯哼 OK, so 3 to the
就
power
记住那个小的那一个，那个那个分数越小，然后他们那个 square 越多，它就越小。
OK, 好。
不是那一个应该是6吗？
OK, so
没。
So everybody take a look at this one, okay? Without times 1/5, this one is already bigger than that.
Ah.
With times 1/5, of course this one would be bigger than that. So it's bigger. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Both of the denominator, then this one is bigger than 1. 那越大的越大，对不对？ Okay, so let's take a look at the negative number. So negative number, because those two are negative, and when they have the power 3 and power 5 still negative, so the before smaller one is actually bigger. Sorry. This one is small, this one is big, but when it's added as negative number, so it's small and big. Correct, everybody? Because this one equals 8/27 negative. This one is 32/3 to the power 5 negative. So which one is smaller? Of course, this one is smaller. Okay, so we have the same thing before. If it is 3/2 to the square, and 如果没有负号，好，这个不用做啊。This one is positive, this is negative, so it must one bigger. Correct? And this one's positive, this one's positive, so we need to think about it. 2/3 squared and 2/3/4. Which one is bigger? Of course, this one's bigger. Okay, last but not least, 3/2 squared and 3/4. So the answer is this one is smaller. So everybody, this is.
I have a question. Why do people say last but not least? Why can't we just say last?
那你就说 last.
不对，为什么要加一个 but not least 呢？这确实是 last 的呀。
好呀。
那为什么要再加个 but not least 呢？
This is an English class, okay? So Kelvin, it's like 你妈妈有的会说不管3、7、21，那为什么不说啊？不管无论怎么样嘛？ 这就是一个说法嘛，it's just a saying. Okay, and plus this is a math class. We were talking about English things.
你们能听到我鼓掌吗
能啊。
？Nope。
我们说话他就不能
I know talk English.
Okay, so everybody, so the bad math part, we're not going to spend any more time.
不管3、7、2、
OK，好，
11。
每个小朋友我们只做4道题啊，这个 bad math 的 part。OK，
I
Mom?
think it's
Oh,
head
wow.
math because
three,
it's
three,
parentheses,
OK, I know
and I
you how
like
much
to
you
call it
hate those questions.
parentheses.
我们要做这个，我不喜欢做这种的题目，可以不
我
做吗？
也不喜
就
欢。
只做4道题，这个 chapter 就过去了，
那我们可以不做 K 吗？有一点复杂。
更复杂的。
真的
你不要
非
跟我
常烦，
对呀，很烦，
烦躁。
数字有一点大。
我们是几点下课啊？
9点。
9点半，不9点。
哎呀，快点做，不要聊天。
就聊，大家聊天。大家聊天，快点聊天。
啊？
为什么 L 有个 triple bracket？
因为他
对呀
要好人呀。
真的非常的烦躁啊！
Hey guys, is the answer for K
啥意思啊？Who here knows what Shiza means?
I don't know.
OK，好，我们来看一下这道题啊。
Jason, you know?
哎，我们
What was the
我看一下
question?
小朋友们看好老师的这个步骤啊。So when you're in the school， 你们老师就要看到这样的作业。OK，so one by one, 3 times 7 plus 2。
我就这么做的。
OK，很好。
我们那儿我们要把先做的地方框起来，然后再重新写。
诶，为什么？
Equals 1。Get it, everybody? So get it? So the answer is 1。
一
加上2乘以9 minus 3 plus 4 equals 5 plus 18 minus 7 equals 5 plus 11 equals 16. So 3 plus 2 times 3 times 4, because 4 minus 2 equals 2, 2 squared plus 1 equals 3 plus 2 times 3 times 5 equals 3 plus 2 times 15 equals 33. 对不对？ Negative 6 minus 9 times negative 2 times negative 1 plus 4 equals negative 6 times 9 equals negative 3. Nope. It's times. Opposite 2 plus 4.
喂，
Negative 6 minus 9 times 6 equals negative 60.
Oh, 是我全对。
你全对，很好。Okay, everybody. So
嗯
this part we're not going to
有
spend
点像
much
Kelvin
time
学
on.
习。
错了一个，我不开心了。
错了一个。OK，好，这道题目，这个是你们回家作业啊。Insert any operation sign inside to make this one equals that。哎，我很喜欢这个题。OK，小朋友看到了，就是加减乘除放在里面，你可以有 bracket。OK， make it
Can we use parents? I mean, no. Can we like square the number?
不用 square number，
No.
应该不用，我觉得不用。OK，好，我们现在 move forward。OK，
应该貌
这个
似好像
multiply
不用。
we move to the multiply with the exponent。OK，我们下个星期的作业会有点多啊，因为我们这个星期上完课以后，下个星期休息，因为下个星期是长周末。Right, it's a long weekend. You don't know that?
有我？
所以下周一不上课。
对啊，下周一
为什么？
为
为什么？
因为我们长周末啊。
这是 May break。
对对对，
哎呀，
这不是长周末，是直接放假了。
long weekend。OK，
不是 long
放假
weekend，我们放一周假 May break。
真的呀？
我们从星期一放到星期五。
What?
wait, what?
对啊。
对啊，我们 May break 是从22号放到26号。
那你妈妈带你出去玩吗？
不，
我有篮球比赛，我去卡尔加里。
太好了。Good。
早点回
What position do you play in basketball?
I play shooting guard。
Really? Play shooting guard?
这是你会
Wow.
什么呀？
Forward.
OK，都不错。OK，so a to the power m， 你们知道我小时候
Jason plays in
我小时候
3D，
也打
I know
篮
he
球的。
does。
你打得好吗？
我跟你讲，我特别能投球，就是我以前就是在那个罚球线上面，我可以投到100%进。
Give
啊
me 3.
3 point
不可能，老
我
师
没，有，真的，
我不
小时候，
信，
你知道我小
我不
的时候怎么
信，
练篮球的吗？
我敢打赌。
我小
老师，
我也打赌
我1岁，老师，
嗯
我跟你说，我3岁的时候，我投3分100%进，因为我3岁。
没有，
3岁
真的，你知道我每天花多少
我
时间？
小的时候啊，我投3分可准了。
你小的时候连3
最近有
分线
点退步了，
都够不着
你知道吗？
This is for all of you.
你小的时候有那么高
Give me
吗？
3.
对呀。Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one. So if we have 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 4, Jason, 你跑哪去了又？
我去扔垃圾了。
3 plus 4 equals 2 to the power 7. Understand, everybody? Please write down this one.
再看，就把
Yeah.
我喝掉。
哎呀，抄好了没有，小朋友啊？
找好了，
Yeah.
老师喜欢喝酒吗？
再看，
就把
Okay,
你喝
so
掉
let's。take a look at this one. 3 to the power 6
再看，
divided by 3 to the power 2 equals
再把
what?
你喝
3
掉。
to the power 6 minus 2. 哎，你们觉不觉得 Kevin 看起来就，哎呀，你们两个人很狠。Kevin 和 Jason 两个人加起来大概只有3岁，一个2岁。
That's right.
So when you do divide, Vicky, the
再
3 to
看
the power 3.
你
哎
看呀
呀，也来了。
哎
哎
呀，
呀，你看你们3个人。
你看呀，
我觉得
你再看
答案是to the power of 4.
对呀，3 to the power 4，对的。哦哟，Andy 也来
老师
了。
你们看一下，你读一下。
Andy 和
What？
Kelvin 和 Jason 3个人加起来一共3岁，Kelvin 1岁，Jason 1岁，Andy 1岁。好吧，
老师我比他们都大，
你最大，你1岁半。
我应该
然后
3岁，
Jason 和
他们一
Andy
个
加起来
我2.9岁，一个0.05岁，另外一个还是0.05岁。
你2.9 ，Who started? Who started said? 哦，旺旺牛奶，你再喝我，我就把你喝掉。不知道谁 started。
Andy 说的。
Okay, so a to the power. Andy 好可怜，Andy
What?
So it's a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power
I
n.
thought you said A to the power of Andy。
OK，好，不要吵了啊！等下 Harvey 嫌你们吵了。Harvey 说啊，一帮小破孩。OK， So let's take a look at this one. So when we have this one, the first question is pretty easy. So 5 to the power a minus 4. So everybody, the most important thing is the base must be the same. If base, okay, yeah, I can go to the bathroom. So the base is not the same, you cannot do anything, okay? 3 to the power 4 plus 5 divided by 3 to the power 6 is 3 to the power 6. Everybody, the base must be the same. Vicky 记下来啊 base 如果不一样就都不能用，好吗？ Zero exponent 我们已经都学过了 OK 好，小朋友们我们 move forward to the one I really like one of the here
老师，安迪不见了。
哎你上厕所了哟，你那么记挂他
那不是你。
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay,
Well,
Harvey,
my shoes.
Calvin, Andy, Jason, Vicky, 每个小朋友都要做啊。
OK，这6个 OK，我现在就做。
做完了。
What the hell?
Hey, no swearing.
What the heck?
No swearing.
It's not swearing.
No foul language abuse.
No F word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
第一版
Oder.
对啊，明明就有钢琴声，到底谁家的？
我不
肯定是
知道啊。
肯定是100%是骆老师家的，你信不信？我敢赌我敢赌20块钱。
哎呀，那好了，我今天多赚20块钱，谢谢大家，谢谢 Kevin。Kevin，你明天不要忘了把20块钱拿过来啊。
啊，好的，明天你也准备个20块钱。
我准备什么20块钱？这不是我们家。
就你输了呀。
钢琴。
因为你输了呀。
肯定是 Jason 家的，看 Jason
老师不要怪来怪去。
我错了，好吧？
对呀。我觉得是，
肯定是对。
Kelvin 的。
Vicky。
他后面有个钢琴。
没有人
老师，我给你看一下我家骆老师家里，我知道我没有家里没有钢琴，我家里有骆老师，我家里有钢琴吗？
没有人弹呀。
你看那个后面就是钢琴。
我家里没有钢琴。
邻居家在弹的，谁的邻居会弹钢琴的？
我的邻居会。
安迪的邻居会弹，肯定是安迪家弹的。
对，肯定是。
不是我们家，真的不是。
喂，鹏鹏，你们家有人弹钢琴吗？
说有。
呀，我们家狗会。
行，我就说吧。我就说吧。
OK， 好，我们刚才
老师20块钱给我。
Okay, first question, I'm going to ask Harvey. Can you tell me?
Yeah, see?
Negative 3 to the power of 9.
Negative 3 to the power of 9. Very good.
No.
Good job. Okay, next one, Kelvin.
4 to the power of 4.
4 to the power of 4. Good job. Okay, next one. Vicky.
7 to the power of 8.
Vicky.
Wait, what?
Vicky.
That's 8?
Vicky.
Oh damn, I suck at math.
Vicky, 再想想。
Wait, no, it's not 8. Oh
Vicky,
wait.
Vicky, 加油！再想想是什么？
Yay.
是什么？ So 1 plus 2 plus 7 equals what?
7.
Very good. Okay, so next one. Number H. Negative 4 times negative 4 squared times negative 4 power 3. Andy.
Minus 4, left 6.
Negative power 6.
Yeah, power 6.
好了，那应该是 positive 还是 negative?
Positive.
yeah, for negative
Very good.
6.
Positive. Okay, good job. Okay, next one. Jason.
2 to the power of 7
Mhm,
times 3 to the power of 3.
very good. Okay. Last one, Vicky. You're making one mistake. So the last question is for you.
Okay. Wait. -3 with the power of 3 and
Hmm?
times. Wait. With the power of times negative. Wait, negative. No. +5 of the power of 6.
OK，那你看看这两个是不是应该都是 positive 的？OK，
对，
make it
两个都是
yeah, very
even
good.
number.
Both of them, very
对，
good.
两个是 even.
Very good. Okay, they're both even. Okay, so now let's take a look at. Yeah, I know you hate those questions. Okay, but I like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Jason, Jason,
Bro, I hate math for now.
老师，我们不要做这种题目了，换一种。
对呀
题目把我弄得超级无敌烦的，好吧？
，Kelvin 说的很对。
你说啥？
哎，
他说换一种题目吧，这种题目很烦的。
对啊，这个做好就不用再做了。
耶！
还有17分钟下课了，不对
17分钟，我还以为过了1分钟。Bro, who is stupid bird? 对不起，有一个鸟在我的窗户。
听见了。
Yeah, that's right.
我现在听不到钢琴了。
现在没有钢琴声了。
对呀，
所以肯定是你们家传来的。
肯定啊。
Ah,
不是我们家的。
yeah, Vicky.
你在那夜什么夜？
啊，Vicky，Andy 会欺负你吗？还是你欺负 Andy？
你问
他欺
他。
负我。
我哪有欺负你？
哎，你们
好过分呐！为什么那样？
你们知道 Andy 和 Vicky 是 twins 吗？
你们够
来，我去他那看门。
我觉得 Vicky 在弹琴，他去跑弹琴了，所以他去弹琴了。做完了。
真的吗？
对。
那你们看 Vicky 在 Andy 后面，你们看到吗？
不会的。
我刚才看到了。
没有啊。
I should take a screenshot. Vicky 回来了，你们看到
？Vicky 在弹琴。
Vicky，Jason 说你在弹琴。
我没有在弹琴，真没有。
肯定是
Vicky
在弹。
你的电脑上在弹琴。
Okay, so everybody, let's take question number E. Okay, so Vicky, I give you the first one because first one you must have finished already. See, I'm a very nice teacher. So can you tell me what is the first one?
Okay, so it's 1. Let me write.
So it's 10 to the power 12 divided by 10 to the power 11. Get
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Which is 10.
Wait.
12 minus.
Oh, you were supposed to simplify it? Oh, damn.
Oh yeah.
做什么呢 Jason? 还有 oh damn 呢 damn 跟毛线。Okay, so next one, Harvey, can you tell me the answer?
Which one?
The number F.
Oh, I got negative 11 to the power of 8 over negative 11 to power 3.
No, the final answer equals what?
I put negative 11 to power 3.
So
Negative-
it's
Oh,
negative 11 power 8 over
Yep,
negative
yep,
11
yep.
power 3
yeah,
equals negative 11 power 5, Harvey.
yeah.
Was
Oh,
negative
I forgot.
11 5.
Oh,
Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so Calvin, can you tell me number G?
Number G is negative 2 to the power of 7.
Negative 2 to the power 7. This one you answered. So let me see, okay? So this is negative.
老师，为什么老是质疑我的答案呢？
So negative 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power 7 equals
1、2、3、4、
negative
5，
2 to the power 12.
上山打老
The bottom
虎。
is 2
你
to
看我对了吧？我就说对了。
就去
我老是质疑我的答案。
Andy.
啊，有没人
can you
说
tell me
你答案
number
不对？
老虎没找到，
Andy, can you tell me number H?
老虎
Number H is 5 9 times times minus 5.
So this one
Wait.
negative times 14. Okay, so the top
Oh yeah.
is negative
Yeah.
5 4. So equals what? Negative and negative are gone. So 5 14 divided by 4 equals 5 10.
是
Understood?
1
Okay. So next one, negative 7 0. So this one equals 1, right? So it's basically 7 to the power 9 over 7 squared, negative 7 3, and negative 7 1. So these negative are gone. So the answer is 7 to the power 9 over 7 to the power 6 equals 7 to the power 3. Okay. Okay, number J. Harvey, your turn.
I got negative 3 power 10 over 3 power
3 to the
4
power
times
10
negative 3
over
power 3.
3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 1. Okay, Harvey? Equals 3 to the power 10 over 3 to the power 7 negative. So equals negative 3 to the power 3. Okay, everybody, if you didn't get it right, I would strongly suggest you take a full look and you make sure you understand.
我全对，我好开心。
老师，我也全对，我好棒。
好棒！Vicky 要翻白眼了，怎么会跟这种人在一个教室里？
老师，我确实全对啊，不
我也
信看。
是啊。
哇，我是说你好的呀，我什么
Yeah,
都没
me
说呀。
too.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. We have challenge questions. Okay, so everybody.
Challenge! Yay!
So everybody, when you take a look at the question, they have the number, it is actually easier to identify. But if the number is actually variables, it is a different story. Okay. So basically, when we're doing this question, you need to check the base is still the same. Both of them are 2 the base, right? So that means we can using the product rule is 2 to the power a
3
plus 3 plus a minus 1. So the answer is a to the power 2a
Julian
plus
Wait, what?
Fraser，
嗯哼，
我好热啊！
对啊，最近好热啊。
现在凉了。我们就要做题吗？老师，
Okay, so understand everybody if you understood this one. So B, C, and D, please do yourself.
你不是说那是最后一个了吗？
对呀、
还没下课呢，还有10分钟，
不公平，
就是，
这有啥不公平的？
我生气。
Jason，我觉得
我也生气，
你也
老师。
差不多了，我跟你说啊。 你的屁股也不保了，我跟你讲，快了。
你居然说
我先把那个打 Kevin 屁股的那个录下来，然后发给大家，然后过2天我再给大家看我打 Jason 屁股。
我们下节课一起直播吧。
好呀好呀，下一节课一起。Jason 把摄像头关了。我们等下开个直播，然后就现场 Kevin 和 Jason 全都密了。哎呀，真好。
老师，我来做 B 可以吗
嗯，
？OK，我 B 是3
等会儿我们
你
现在要
做完不要
加一
现在先不要说，你3道题都做完以后再说。
不是我们现在要做 ABCD 是吗？
B C D 对啊，那不是画了小圈圈了吗？
啊，对。谁那里发 ABCDEFG？
Andy，
What? Jason. It's Jason.
What? It is Andy who is.
Oh.
我刚才听到了一个狗，
现在那只狗又在叫，不知道谁家的狗。什么 Fluffy？
老师，我做完了。
我也做完了。
我也做完
Herbie,
了。
everybody, turn on your camera. Rebellion.
Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so 我们来看看做的小朋友对不对啊？因为它的 base 都一样，对不对？ So 3 to the power 2m minus m minus 1. 有没有小朋友是这样？ If you're doing
好。
something like that, it is wrong. Because you have to bracket the bottom thing. So it's 3 2m minus m plus 1. So the answer is 3m plus 1. If you're making mistakes for this one, that means C and D, you won't be right. I strongly suggest you take a look at the answer and get it back to me, okay?
老师，
老师，
我
前面这道
有
题怎么搞？
一点慢，
你有什
我有
么
一点慢，我看
有点慢
我全错了，
对呀，那所以
所以我
就慢慢做呀。
我再做一遍，然后我这次应该会对的。
好。
嗯。
Bingo.
I'm calling my dog.
Dun, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O.
老师家的狗是什么品种的呀？
柴犬。
啊，柴柴。
对呀，我有2只。
Hey guys, is Argentina better than Portugal?
I have
他们
two.
家的狗长得非常的丑。
谁说的？你这个人怎么这样？ Kevin, you're so innocent. You're so evil.
Yeah,
You're
I'm
so evil.
Yeah,
Okay,
Kelvin, you're so nice.
Yeah, Kevin, you're so nice.
I'm not Kevin. You're mean.
我给你看我们家狗，
好呀，
一点都
Yeah,
一点都不那个。
Kelvin.
我给你们看，
Kevin.
给你们看啊。
非常的
Rebellion,
丑
guys, turn off your
肯定非常的
cameras.
丑，不信你看。
This is a rebellion against the.
I show you. Isn't that cute?
Yes, that is cute.
Wow, that's very.
That's evil.
He looks devious.
Yeah.
这不
He
可
looks
爱。
very devious. You can't trust it.
Okay, so everybody last three C and D 啊，这不开始聊天了，做的，哎呀，难怪做不出来。我跟你讲，Andy、Kevin 和
我做好了，我这
做好了，老
对。
师。
真的吗？好，那你把答案发给我。
好的，等一下我
好的
做一下。
看，我全对。
我把 A，我把 C 发给你。
Square root of A.
你们看，给 Andy 发给我什么答案？OK， 我们来看啊，这个怎么做啊 ？So 5 to the power
老师不要。
4a minus
发好了。
plus 3 minus a, and divided by 5 2a plus 1. So equals what? Equals 5 to the power 3a over 5 to the power 2a plus 1. 好，这个
Yes.
时候非常重要，so it's 5 to the power 3a. Vicky 看到了，减的时候下面的把它用括号括起来。OK， so equals 5a plus minus 1. So it's 5a minus 1 for the first number C. 你看，我就知道你做错了呀，Jason。
我没有
对了，老师。
那 Jason 等于 find a 加1。
我写了减了。
明明写的加，好吧？
我那是不小心的，那是 Kelvin 写错的。
下面
我明明写了。
老师我对
Yeah,
的。
that's Kevin.
对呀，我明明写的对。
啊，那是 Kevin 吗？
我对的。
哦，那是 Kevin， 那 Jason 呢？
我的是那个。
你是刚才发出来的，不算。
What？
OK，
老师现在不公平了，我现在不开心。
你又不开心了。OK， 好，下面 7a plus 3 plus 2 minus 3a. Correct? Harvey? 对不对 ？Okay, so it's 7 to the power 6 minus 2a. The bottom is 7 to the power 5 minus 2a. 所以 Vicky 我们做的时候还是一样，6减 2a. So Harvey 看到了减5 minus 2a. You have to bracket. So 7 to the power 1 minus 2a plus 2a. So there's no 2a where a, the answer is 7. So number D, the answer is 7.
老师，你觉不觉得 Harvey 是不是有点太那个
安
安
静了？
静了？
对呀，那是因为
像
他被
我们一样。
你们烦死了呀！他被你们3个人烦死，你们3个人加起来每个人都只有1岁。你知道 Vicky 也不想理你们的，我也不想理你们的，没办法，知道吧 ？I'm the teacher. I cannot say I quit.
Why?
对吗？Harvey，你是不是觉得他们？
老师不要拖堂了，还有1分钟。
没有，已经整点了。
会不会做这道题啊？Do you get it, everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah.
OK， 好，这个是你们的回家作业了。然后我跟你讲，这次作业会多一点，但是 like I said, you have exactly 2 weeks to finish all of them because there's no class for the next week. Understand, Harvey? 要交作业的啊。OK, Kelvin， 听到了吗？
听到了。
Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, so bye bye, everybody.
Bye
Bye.
bye.